Hello everyone, this is a quick video just to have a look at this rotary tool, Dremel like tool, and to see if it's any good. Comes with the user manual. It's all in Russian because I got this from Russia, but it's made in China most likely. So this is the tool. It feels nice. We have 3 LEDs here, a button, and USB-C rechargeable. It has 3 speeds. When you first turn it on, it goes full speed, then it slows down. Then the second speed, and the third speed. Not sure why it starts full speed, then it stops. This is just a brake or something just to help you open this, so it just stops it from rotating. USB cable, USB-C, and comes with a bunch of tools, bits. Let's try. This is just fabric for smoothing stuff, fiberglass for cutting, sandpaper, and these are like rock or something, and we have also drill bits. Let's try the drill. This is too big for the drill. I have to replace it with the smaller one. So let's try something different. Let's try the cutting disc. This is the cutting disc. I did buy these bits from AliExpress a while ago, but I never used them. Let's try to cut something. This is MDF. It works fine. Let's try plastic. Yeah, it cuts plastic. Cut wires. Not bad at all. Where is the head? Where did it go? This is it. Still loose. Let's try the bigger one. Nice, I like it. So this is the Aridoo rotary tool. Let's open it, see what's inside. So this is it. I have a ball bearing here, small motor, and 500 milliamps hour battery, 3.7 volt, made in April 2025. And this is the circuit board. And the button just fell off. The button is rubber. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.